Hey guys, so sorry, first of all, I got sore throat, but this will be my first unboxing, and George, my friend, obviously wants to see. Let's see if I can get out opening these. There's so to open. So I finally started my K-pop collection. My friend George got me SHINee shirt out for Christmas, so I finally started to do it. This is really good wrapped. Ooh. So I've ordered SHINee Lucifer, it's gonna be out taking this off as well. Right, I finally started taking the plastic off. So this one, as you can see, I've ordered version 8. So oh yeah. It looks like he's touching his nipple. It's got all the songs here. There's Taemin, there's Minho, there's Unyu, there's Jongwoo, and there's Key, and it's all got the songs and obviously the lyrics in Korean, and I can't read it. I have a photo card here. One sec. Mine is on you. I've had him again. I had him for SHINee shirt. But that's okay. I like Taemin, but that's okay. It's good. Ooh. I have to get a gift thing here. Oh, damn it. There's Minnow. And he's topless, and he's got a weird hat on. I like that kind of style. Like, it's like black paint splattered randomly. And I've always liked that picture. Okay. Oh, Damon. His key. Oh, Damon again. As you can tell, I like Damon. This jungle. Oh, these are the thanks to. These are new. I've always liked that picture as well. I like that picture. And when I say I've always liked that picture, it's because I've seen it before. And of course I like the design on the CD as well. I like that. If I take this out very gently. Where's Damon? That's not very nice, he's not there. Put it in gently now. Oh, he's there though. Oh, okay, that's good. So that's Lucifer. And that's my Ford card. So I'll put that back in there. Okay, it's on to the next one, but I'll do a different video for that.